Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the sponsor request limit reached on Cash App. If you're encountering the sponsor request limit reached message on Cash App, it usually means you've hit a set limit for sponsorships or adding sponsors to your account. I'll guide you through how to resolve this step by step. First, open the Cash App on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon, which is located in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you'll see various options and sections related to your account. Scroll down through the options on this page until you find the section named Support. Tap on Support and wait for the page to load. On this page, you'll see several options that allow you to search for answers or request assistance with specific issues. From here, scroll down again and tap on the option named Something Else. This will take you to another page with more detailed categories to address different types of problems. Look for the option labeled Cash App Pay and tap on it. Once you're on the Cash App Pay page, scroll to the bottom where you'll find the Contact Us section. Under Contact Us, tap on the option labeled Chat. Wait for the page to load fully. You'll now see a chat window where you can type a message to the Cash App support team. In the text box provided, type the following message. Hi Cash App support team. I am currently unable to add sponsors because I keep receiving a message that I have reached the sponsor limit. This was unintentional, and I hope to resolve this issue with your help. Please let me know what steps I can take to fix this. Thank you. Once you've finished typing, send the message. The Cash App support team will review your request and respond to you with further guidance. Make sure to monitor the chat for updates. Cash App will also notify you of new messages, and your chat history will remain available for your reference. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Fix Sponsor Request Limit Reached on Cash App problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.